This is how to get your Airtm US bank account. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to get your US virtual bank account on Airtm. In case you are new to this platform, the first thing you need to do is to sign up, and you can use the link below the description of this video to do that. If you use my link, Airtm is going to give you a gift of $3 when you meet their condition. All you need to do is to make sure you use the app and you will get this free sign up bonus. How do you open your non-resident US bank account using Airtm? As soon as you sign up and you do your verification, for you to open your virtual account, you will see this virtual account. You will tap this, you tap it. You can see virtual accounts. Receive US bank, European bank, or e-wallet transfer directly to your Airtm account. What this implies is that you'll be able to generate a virtual bank account with Airtm that you can use to collect your money on multiple platforms, including on Upwork, Airbnb, YouTube, on Amazon, on Fiverr, and on so many other platforms where you can work remotely from your country. You can see this account is 100% free. If your account is US virtual account, this is the fee that you are going to pay. If your account is Euro virtual bank account, this is the fee that you are going to pay for every deposit that gets to your account. All you need to do is to accept these terms and conditions. You will check here to indicate that has been checked, and you click here to open your virtual bank account. You'll be made to read the terms of use. You can see this is the term of use. This is the term of use. After you must have read, then you click accept. You can see success. You can see verify your identity and open your US virtual account in a just few minutes. So you go through this verification of your identity and your account will be open. They will need to confirm your ID for this verification to be valid. So you click begin verifying. You select your country, you fill these forms, your name, last name, month, national ID, and you click continue. With this basic information, you will enter your government ID number. If you are from Nigeria, your NIN number will do, and your full location address. Ensure that it is the same with your NIN number. Then you tap government ID. You click continue. You can see you have a choice for driver license, national ID, passport, or voter's ID. So you choose anyone that is relevant to you, especially if you are from Nigeria. If you are from other country, the nature of your ID card may be different. You can see processing ID. You can see required submission. Basic information is processed. Government ID is processed. You can take a picture of your ID or you snap it, download it on your phone. You can now browse to pick it. It is so easy and straightforward. Then you click continue. So you complete your source of funds, most recent occupation, and your employment status. You are expected to state where you are expecting funds from, that is, and roughly the estimate of inflows you are expected to be receiving. Here you are going to make a choice if you are acting as an intermediary or this account is for your personal use. If you are okay, you submit. You can see congratulations, you are done. All you need to do is to go back to your Airtm app to access your US virtual bank account. To access your Airtm US virtual account, you tap here. You can see your US virtual account is now active. The minimum amount you can transfer on the account is $5. Then you can transfer and send a wire transfer of $5. You can accept payment from business, from your own account, and from third-party individuals. And you can accept payment from freelance or e-wallet platforms like Upwork, Stripe, Wise, etc. Transfer and deposit from other US and related account will take you 2 to 4 days, and wire deposit are usually credited in the same business days. You tap here to access your account detail. You'll be able to see your name, your address, the name of the bank in US, your bank account, your routine number, and you'll be able to view your bank address in US. All you need to do is to copy all these details and send to those companies that may want to pay you. Don't forget to use the link below the description of this video to have access to your free $3 Airtm sign up bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.